Hi and hello, this is Vinod Care from Triad YouTube channel. Today we are going to see one of the medium machine called credit card scammer. So I have taken this machine in Vulnhub. So I have done the basic enumeration using Nmap. I have found four ports 22, 80, 443 and 1990. And 1990 is closed and 22 for OpenSSH 8.0 and 80 for Apache HTTP 2.4.37 and method trace is enabled and the title is your PP supplier and 443 port is like um, Mongoose HTTPD but here the service is HTTP. Okay, let's go to deeper. I have checked that there is no form validation in this web page and I have go to Nictoscan. I have found some of the directory CSS image and package.json. So nothing interesting things found. And I have moved to GoBuster. I have found like basic directories like settings, class, vendor, CSS images. And I have changed the payloads. I mean directory payloads. Common.txt. I have found one of the interesting like hyphen admin. So another one directory CGI hyphen bin, but the status is 403 and nothing. That's all. And I have go deeper about after the admin. I mean, go to the 443. I have found three directories like status, session, and shutdown. So in this admin, I have found one dist. So if I click the dist, a login page has been displayed, and I have go to that status page on 443, and it has some information of version. And I have go to the session. There is one session ID. So after that, I have go to that browser name like Bandom.js. So another thing I have found one more thing like ghost driver implementation command. So we have the session directory and it's forward. It has the syntax and it is the version 1.0. So I have moved to this like customize the session and copy the session ID and access to the cookie. So finally I get one session value. So every time the session value be changed, you want to keep the same session for the page. I go to the browse and burp and replace the session and finally I have in the administrator. Okay, this is like a money maker, I mean dashboard. This is the dashboard and we have some of the interesting things like first name and last name and mail ID and other things are found. So I have tried in this, but my command is not executed. I think there is a command execution in this file, and also there is a SQL injections for this login page. So I have tried, but I didn't get anything. Then I go to some SSH brute force, and finally get the username and the password. Currently, I have logged into that mission, and I have get the flag one in this var www directory, and second flag in this home directory itself and privilege escalation. Currently, we have three users root, money grabber, and admin. Currently, we are in money grabber, and there is one backup file. In this backup file, it shows like MySQL and before that tar. So I have tried to add this code into this bash.sh file, backup.sh file, but probably I failed. So I have tried to locate this file. There is one path called like home. So I have changed this home into temp and mm added a file. I mean, there's been a such code is added into this tar file and it is uh, I mean stored in this temporary directory. I have given the permission. Finally, I have executed. Finally, I'm the root. So this is the flag thread, and this is the shadow.txt. Thanks for watching. If you would like to support me, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. If you are new user, welcome, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you in the next video.